Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop. The recording artist himself, Leroy Russell, stage name Tommy Lee Sparta, remanded in custody. When we return to have the exclusive details of this to come on the program, we ask you please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos over here on Links WSM TV Celebrity Scoop. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. Without no delay, let me just get straight into the meat of the matter. Leroy Russell's stage name Tommy Lee Sparta, one of Jamaica's most top and highly favored dancehall artists, was arrested last year and actually spent the Christmas behind bars. Well, it seemed like it's not going to be a happy new year for Tommy Lee after he was remanded in custody recently. And as you know, Tommy Lee Sparta has had run-ins with the law before, and this is not the first time that the dancehall recording artist is actually taken into custody. But this time it's a bit of a different scenario in which the recording artist was stated to have been found with an illegal firearm. In previous instance, the dancehall recording artist was taken into custody in relation to latches scamming paraphernalia, and he was actually freed of those charges after the evidence could not pin the recording artist to what the police stated was his involvement in the lucrative latches scam game. Now, as you know, Tommy Lee Sparta had a really good start to the music business, and he has actually been one of those premier dancehall figures that continue to dominate the local and even the international dancehall space. In recent months, Tommy Lee had a major hit, Bless, which garnered him that household name not only in Jamaica but also across the world, and it's very sad to see what he has gotten himself involved in with during this current situation. But his fans are out there and they're in full support of him, and they're just wishing him the best in this new event that occurred with him being held with a firearm. Now I'm going to bring you up to date with the latest that I have to bring to you in relation to an update that was published this week. This Tommy Lee Sparta will return to court on Friday, February 3rd to answer to charges of illegal possession, firearm, and ammunition. The DJ case was heard on Wednesday of this week in the Gun Court Division of the Home Circuit Court, but was remanded in custody. It is not immediately clear if the lawyer had attempted to secure a bail for the dancehall entertainer. The case is believed to have been held privately, and the media was excluded from this. The DJ, who had had run-ins with the law before, is being represented by Donna Hay along with the Queen's Counsel Tom Tavares Vinson. Tommy Lee Sparta, whose real name is Leroy Russell, was arrested on December 14 by members of the JCF Specialized Operations Unit after a Toyota Mark X vehicle in which he was traveling in was intercepted on Holborn Road, St. Andrew, and searched. A firearm was found inside the vehicle in the artist's waistband, we are told, and the firearm was a 9mm pistol, also containing an extra magazine with 18 rounds of ammunition. So that is what the entertainer is actually being charged with right now: illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. But based on the fact that he was found with the weapon inside his waistband, it's going to be difficult for the lawyers representing the entertainer to actually prove his innocence. But we'll be following this story, and we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with the latest to come on this. This has been Links WSM TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.